The Bolt Shear Stress Calculator determines the stress on bolts subjected to shear forces in mechanical assemblies. Let's walk through the input fields. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric with millimeters, newtons, and MPa, or imperial with inches, pounds force, and PSI. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, choose the number of shear planes, either single shear with one plane or double shear with two planes. I've selected single shear. Now enter the bolt diameter in millimeters, the number of bolts, and the applied force in newtons. For our example, I'm entering a bolt diameter of 10 millimeters, number of bolts is 10, and an applied force of 10 newtons. After clicking Calculate Shear Stress, the calculator displays several results. The bolt cross-sectional area shows as 78.540 square millimeters. We also see values of 0.01 MPa and 1.0 Newton displayed in the output fields. These results help engineers verify that their bolted connections can safely handle the applied loads without failure. This tool streamlines the design verification process for bolted joints. Find the link in the description below.